Hey guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to boot Windows 11 or 10 300% faster. Okay, so in this case, you have to go to this search box and write here CMD first. Now click on Run as Administrator. Now click on Yes. After that, you have to put here a command which you will find here. DISM online cleanup image restore health. You have to put this code or put this command manually by typing. Just after typing, you have to wait till it's 100%. It will start working. You can see here it is working. Wait till it's 100%, or you can just remove, minimize it here. After minimize it, go to the next step. Go here again, the search bar, and write battery. Now click on this battery saver settings. Then you can see here power and sleep. Click on this and go to additional power settings in Windows 10. Choose high performance, and after choose high performance, you can see here on bottom left, choose what power button does. Click on this. Then you have to turn this on. Turn on first startup recommended. So how you can turn this on? You have to just click on this blue change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on this and you can see it is now can be changeable. So if it's like this unchecked, you must check this. Okay, so after check, click on save changes and you can cross it all, and after that you have to go. If you find that this turn on startup or sleep or this hibernate is not here available here, if it's not available here, if it's blank here, how you can take them here. So I'm going to show you how you can take it. Go here again, this search box, and CMD, go run as administrator. Then you have to put this single command, what I'm going to write here, which is power cfg, cfg space / hibernate on. Now hit enter. Then your hibernate will be on and your this information will be here. You can see that information will be here. Turn on fast, sleep, this one. Okay, so after completing this, cross this all and go to the next step. Next step is going here, this Windows icon, right click and go to settings. Now choose accounts, this one. Now choose from here sign in options. Then just scroll down a bit and you'll find here this option, automatically save my restartable apps when I sign out and restart them after I sign in. Make sure it is turned on. Okay, if it's turned off, you can see turn this on. After turning on, you can cross this and you have to go again this options and you have to write here CMD, choose run as administrator, click on yes. Now you have to put here again a command which is sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. Okay, it is counting to 100%. Hold on, let it work, and you can just minimize it by here, and you have to do the next step, which is downloading Malwarebytes. So how you can download? Go to your browser, right here Malwarebytes, and click on the first link. Then you'll find here free download. Click on this free download. After that, you'll be finding here your download options. After downloading, install it in your device. After install, you can see here it will be installed in your operating system. Just double click on this and you have to scan this. You'll find here this scan option. Hold on, this one, scan. Just click on this blue button, scan, and your computer will scan by the malware bytes right now. If there are any malware or virus which leads to slowing your PC, that will be detected and you can delete them easily. Okay, so guys, you can just minimize it here and do the last step, which is click on this, right click, go task manager. Then you'll find here this startup option. Click on startup. Under this startup applications, find the third-party applications and choose disable. Like this, Microsoft Open OneDrive. Just right click. If it's enabled like this, you can just right click and disable. Now, like this, disable phone link. If it's enabled, you have to make it disable. Okay, guys. So this is how you can do this, guys. Then if you restart your computer, you can see the result. So guys, if you find the video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.